here at a restaurant in Dayton, Ohio. Just eating like a fat ass. Why? Why do I feel better eating like a fat ass? Why do I feel better right then, after the meal, and the next morning, than when I would eat raw carnivore? No seed oils, no carbohydrates, no sugars. Well, I was inside all day scrolling my phone, being a degenerate, not buying Bitcoin, saving money. Now, I'm just naked outside all day, and I just eat whatever I want. And life's great. It's almost like the light is more important than your stupid protons and electrons from your food. They really got us with the food propaganda. All of the food gurus, carnivores, and paleo people, and low carb, they got us. But they had no idea what they're talking about. They don't know about latitude and circadian biology and quantum biology, and how when you spend too much time around a restaurant or your city or a populated area, then you're indoors all day in the air conditioning, in the heating. If it's 69 degrees, it's too cold. If it's 80, it's too hot. See you in the next one.